Yeah. Please tell us your branch and experience of your
I
GATE
had my
2026.
exam in TCS Ion Center in Kovilambakkam, and I would rate the exam as moderately tough. And the questions were like they were just testing your conceptual understanding and knowledge, not much in detail, and you didn't have to have the many formulas in mind to actually solve it. It was like basic understanding that you will be able to solve much of the question.
Okay. Looking back, do you feel any additional guidance or structured preparation would have helped?
Certainly, if I had additional guidance, it would have certainly helped. And if I had written a bit more marks and if I had solved previous year questions, it would have certainly helped me.
Compared to previous papers or mocks, was it easier, similar, or tougher?
I only solved few mock tests which are available in the GATE exam portal. Compared to that, these questions were easy, I would say, because those questions were totally different, and the exam to the level which they asked was completely different.
Okay. Which section was the most difficult or surprising?
Engineering mathematics was something different, and the questions were you had to know the concepts well and understand it well in order to solve it. So understanding mattered in this question paper, I would say.
Okay. Were you able to complete the paper on time, or was it lengthy?
The paper was moderately lengthy, and it took a lot of time actually. If it is 3 hours, you had to solve for the whole time in order to complete about 70 to 80%. I was not able to complete the whole paper within the stipulated time, so it was lengthy actually.
What advice would you give to GATE 2027 aspirants?
I would say write more mocks, and mock test does matter, and your time management skills come to the fore when you come to the exam. So managing the questions and finding the zones which are of your strong points, and analyzing the question paper in a certain way where your strengths should be your 100%. You have to score 100% in your strength zones, and in the other zones of interest which are able to solve, you can spend the other time actually. So if you have a zone of confidence in a certain subject, you have to solve the questions from that particular subject completely.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.